In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to get started in Figma. So I'm over here on figma.com. That's where you want to go to create your first account. And pretty much you could see that they have, a couple of videos, different things kind of explaining and describing what they can do and what they do. There's a really nice video. I recommend checking that out when you get a chance. But the very first thing you want to do is go to the sign up CTA on the top right, click that, and pretty much here you'll put your email, put your password, and just create your first account and just kind of follow the steps. Once you create your account, you'll follow a couple steps and you'll get to this basic screen. For the most part, this screen will be empty and won't have too many files for now. Pretty much you could see here on the top left, you'll have your account, which will have your basic information and your profile. And then you'll have a search, which you could search for files. In the beginning it will be empty, but eventually you'll have a lot of files there. And this will show you recent files, the different files you've opened recently. Here it'll show you different plugins that you can install, and I'll talk about that a little later. It's very useful. Here you'll have drafts, various files you worked on. And this will be your very first project. So what you want to do is just hit File, New, and you'll have a brand new canvas where you can get started on. And if you want to go back, you go on this little hamburger icon and you just hit back to files and you come back. You see your new file has been generated. If you have sketch files, you can basically take the sketch files and import them into this browser directly around this area, and it'll convert them into Figma files for you. It's very, very useful. And also I want to remind you that we are browser based, so that's very, very powerful.